Couple killed during a robbery attempt at Westmoreland party. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police in Westmoreland are investigating the murder of a couple in Springfield who were killed during an alleged robbery at a fundraising event for a cancer patient. The deceased are 31-year-old Marshall Gale, otherwise known as Cheese Strips, and 23-year-old Cherise Murray, known as Cheyenne. Initial reports are that at around 8:30 p.m., 6 men entered the party well armed. They approached the bar where Gale and Murray were located and shot them both before grabbing a bag of funds collected and fleeing. The event, which was organized by Marshall, was aimed to raise funds for his brother, who was recently diagnosed with cancer. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.